Good morning and welcome to the Proton Motor Power Systems PLC General Meeting. Throughout this recorded meeting, investors will be in listen-only mode. I would now like to hand you over to Chairman Antonio Bossi. Good morning to you.
Good morning and welcome to the General Meeting of Proton Motor Power Systems. First time I chair this and as a public company and potentially the last one. I should first like to introduce myself and the other members of your board. My name is Antonio Bossi. I am the non-executive chairman of the company and I will chair the meeting. In Puckheim, I would like to introduce you to the some of the other members of the board, so specifically Roman Kotlarzeski, Chief Financial Officer, and Sebastian Goldner, Chief Operating Officer. I think Roman and Sebastian are there with a couple of other employees and shareholders of the company. Now, coming to the formal matters of this meeting, I declare that there is a quorum of members, at least 2 members present, and that we can proceed to the business to be transacted at this meeting. With the consent of the meeting, I will take the notice of the annual general or the general meeting as read. Is that agreed? If the shareholders in Puckheim, yeah, thank you.
Yes, it's agreed.
Thank you. Please note that shareholders attending by their proxies can exercise all rights to attend, speak and vote on any of the resolutions at this meeting, but on a show of hands both on a show of hands and on a poll. Before I will now formally propose the resolutions to the meeting. The full text of each of the resolution is set out in the notice of meetings, a copy of which registered shareholders will have received. Resolutions 1 and 2 are both proposed as special resolutions, which, to be passed, required a majority of 75% to vote in favor of the resolution. So, Resolution 1 is a special resolution to approve the cancellation of admission of the ordinary shares of the company to trading on AIM, in accordance with Rule 41 of the AIM rules. Are there any questions in relation to the resolution? From Puckheim, I'm obviously aware that we're already taking questions from people who are attending.
No questions from the attending shareholders.
Okay. I now propose resolution 1. Please raise your hand to vote. All those in favor? All those against? No one. I would like to inform you that I hold proxy in favor of this resolution or giving me discretion to vote in favor, totaling, so it's a long number, apologies, 1,238,701,081 shares, votes, representing 99.81% of votes cast, and 2,333,644 votes against, representing 0.19% of votes cast. I therefore declare Resolution 1 passed as a special resolution of the company. We now move on to Resolution 2. Resolution 2 is a special resolution of the company to re-register the company as a private limited company and to approve the adoption by the company of the new articles. Are there any questions in Puckheim? Okay. Now propose Resolution 2. Please raise your hand to vote. All those in favor? All those against? Thank you. I would like to inform you that I hold proxy in favor of this resolution. Or giving me discretion to vote in favor, totaling 238,706,901 votes, representing 99.81% of votes cast, and 2,230,411 votes against, representing 0.18% of votes cast. I therefore declare Resolution 2 passed as a special resolution of the company. This concludes today's formal business. On behalf of the board, I would like to thank you all for your attendance and declare the general meeting closed. Now, there were a couple of questions from the Investor Meet platform. Particularly, I think one, if I'm correct, was what will happen to my shares, and essentially nothing happens other than the fact that the shares will no longer be quoted on AIM. The shares remain, for those who hold shares via a nominee account, a broker, the shares remain in Crest. Or if you hold a paper certificate, you will continue to hold a paper certificate. It's just that the shares, you will not be able to trade your shares on AIM anymore from, I think the timetable envisages the 17th of February, being the day that the shares are cancelled from trading on AIM. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Antonio, and to the board for updating investors today. On behalf of the management team of Proton Motor Power Systems PLC, we would like to thank you for attending today's presentation, and good morning to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.